Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I have this package here. This is actually from Chris Capune. I actually quite surprised. I actually won his giveaway. It's actually only the second giveaway that I've ever won, and it's I'm extremely excited to have won this giveaway. It's yeah, quite the one to win. And two things in here that that are totally new to me, and two things that are right on the top of my must-have list. Actually, one of them has been there for quite a while. I'll point that out once we get to it. But first of all, what can we say about Chris, man? What an awesome guy. Just did this giveaway, and he's already planning his next giveaway, so that tells you a bit about how generous he is. Yeah, great picker, and very knowledgeable too. Always learning something new from Chris. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with him. If you're not, I'll leave his channel in the description, of course. But yeah, I see Chris in everyone's comments. Every time I watch a video, Chris is there. Has either already left a comment or is going to leave a comment. So I'm sure you guys know who Chris Capune is. But yeah, let's see what I won. Like I said, so excited about this. Hopefully my camera doesn't give out. I hate it when it gives out on package openings, because then I don't get a genuine reaction. If it shits out, I'll... Oh, I thought it was about to there for a second. If it shits out, I'll just return to where I was before it turned off. Beautiful. Oh, wicked. Beautiful keychains. Oh, baby. Oh, wow, this is way heavier than I thought it would be. Awesome. Oh, man. Oh, it's wicked to have this new in box like this. Oh, man. Way heavier than I thought it would be, which is good. I like that. These are nice locks. Wow. Pretty much, I think they built these for the government. Wow, you really... Oh yeah, you feel a contact point, but I don't think that's how these are manipulated anyway. I'm not quite sure how these are manipulated. Let's see if I can open it. Should be set to factory. Thing just came up on my camera and I went over 0. Notification came up, but let's open. Yeah, this is... And I believe when you put the shackle down, it auto scrambles the wheels. This is really, really nice. Way heavier than I thought it would be. Man, and to have it new in box like this, that is awesome. I'll take a minute to see my cat checking out the bubble wrap there. Psst, 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 psst. What's that, buddy? You gonna bust those bubbles? Awesome, Chris. I'll leave that out for now. That's gonna sit up front. And what do we have here? Okay. Okay. Oh, sweet. Ooh. we got some cards in here. Did I drop something? It's nothing important. We'll take a look at these. Where's my knife? Oh, right here. Take a look at these cards for sure. Cards or stickers? Cards, wicked. Those will go in my box for sure. Thanks, Chris. And this is one thing I'm really excited about. I mean, excited about the lock as well, but oh, time to sharpen my knife a bit. Okay, get rid of this box. So this is a Sargent signature series, probably one of Sargent's better locks. I mean, actually Sargent does have what they call the degree system, which is basically like Medico, but this is a lock with active key control basically. And I'm a huge fan of Sargent, mainly because oh, that's nice. Mainly because Sargent's a lock I really remember from my childhood. I think Jeff Moss has a similar story. But yeah, once I first started taking note of locks, Sargent was one that stuck out to me. Mainly the Sargent Keso. My dad managed a tree nursery, and they used the Sargent Keso to lock up some of the fertilizers, which fertilizers can be some pretty bad stuff. You can use it for explosives and a bunch of stuff, I guess. But yeah, I don't have a Keso, but I have a signature here, which is awesome. Wow, this is... I wasn't sure, but I thought this was going to be a different keyway. I think it is kind of like the LA keyway, but it just has a different key for those dimples. Let's see here. I have LA right here. Oh no, what am I talking about? It's totally different. It's kind of reversed. I don't have one nearby me, but yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah, totally different. Yeah, not even a reverse. But yeah, what a beautiful lock. That's going to be some fun to figure out. I wonder if it's going to be a tricky one or if it's going to be easy. A little tight going around on that side. I wonder what that is. That's nothing to worry about though. Great job on this, Chris. Nice bidding, and it works great. Man, so I have some stuff to keep me busy for a while. One thing that's cool about Sargent too, I think this can be used as a mortise cylinder or a rim cylinder with these threaded holes. Not 100% sure on that, but it's kind of what it makes me think of anyway. And these are just I still have the zero bitted key here too, and these are the pins that it came with zero bitted. Alright, I'm not going to waffle on too much longer. And there's the escutcheon, or not escutcheon, spacer ring. Yeah, I'm not going to waffle on too long. I'm going to probably have a play with this. Oh, there's my cat busting some bubbles. This by sitting on them, he's so big. Hey, buddy. Anyway, not going to keep you guys too much longer. Chris, what can I say, man? I can't thank you enough. So happy I won an awesome giveaway. That really, like I said, it couldn't have came at a better time, which is how things seem to happen, oddly. But yeah, definitely got this to look forward to, and I'm not sure that I'll ever be able to manipulate this, but what a lock to have in your collection. This is just awesome. Man, I believe there should be a yeah, should be a change key in there and everything. So yeah, you guys have this to look forward to. Maybe not in the next video. I actually have this ahead of it. Not sure, again, what order, but yeah, we'll see. As always, guys, I can't thank you enough for sticking with me. Thanks to the new subscribers. Thanks to all my subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.